Discover this elegant 3-bedroom home plus a den/office perfectly situated on a serene freshwater front. Designed for both comfort and style, this residence features an open floor plan with 10-foot tray ceilings and 8-foot tall doors, creating an expansive and inviting ambience. The modern kitchen and living spaces flow seamlessly into the oversized lanai, complete with paver flooring, perfect for outdoor relaxation or entertaining. Recent upgrades include a new roof, 2024, and durable plank tile flooring throughout the home, ensuring both beauty and functionality. The main suite offers a spa-like retreat with dual sinks, a separate tub, and a walk-in shower. Hurricane impact windows and doors provide peace of mind, while the irrigation system keeps the lush landscaping vibrant year-round. Additional highlights include an epoxy-coated garage floor and a paver driveway that